Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the new Pokemon, Grafaiai. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. All of that good stuff really helps out the channel. Alright, so I'm going to start our drawing. Let's work with the nose. Kind of nose, mouth, muzzle area. So let's see, I'm going to do kind of a rounded shape like this. And then I'm going to come on up and do like an upside down V shape here. And then do a line. And then we can do 1, 2, 3, 4 little spots like that. They kind of look like the shape of like a little seed. And then we're going to curve right here. And then a line right here. And another line going down here. So we've got almost like, it looks like 2 little teeth. Next, before we continue on with this mouth part, we're going to do a little more with the face area first. So I'm going to draw kind of like a curved line up this way. And then we're gonna do kind of like a football head shape. So kind of rounded. I'm coming on this way. And let's do an eye. So I'm going to do kind of a wacky little line here. And then bring that over that way. And then a slanted line down like that. And a line right there. And we can do a little square right here. And on the other side, we're going to do a similar thing. So we've got a little strange line, curvy line, and bring it down a bit. And over here, it's going through here. So we do the other part right there. And then slanted line, and then curved shape. And now we've got to do a little square. Okay, so far so good. Now let's do a little finger right here. So we're coming on up and going over, bringing it up. And then we got a rounded spot here. And we're gonna have kind of like a gooey thing happening here. So we're gonna do a little bump and then bring that over. Come on down a little bit, bring this down a bit, bring this down a little bit more, and then this, we're going to bring it out this way, and then curve, come on down a bit, and right here, let's go down an itty bitty bit, and then come on up, curve, and then come on up a little bit more, and then here, let's go down a bit, and then come on up. And then we're going to put a little line right here. And then a little curve here. We can do a little line here and a little line here. And now let's finish off this little mouth muzzle part. So we can put a little itty bitty line there and a little itty bitty line right there. Now let's finish this part. So bring this line over to here and kind of there behind it and right here. And let's see, we're going to do a line right here and come in here behind the hand, and right here, and here on the side. And now right here by the eye, I'm going to do a little line. And up top here, let's do kind of like a big spiky point, and another one, and another one, and bring that on back. All right, so over here on the side, we're gonna have a great big ear kind of shape. It's real pointy, but it's gonna be off the page, but that's okay, that's okay. And come on back. and then do a line right there. We can do a little line like that. And now let's do the ear on the other side. So great big line, and then come on down, and then bring that close to the face, and we're gonna have a line like that kind of in the middle, and over here on the side and do a little line like that and come on up a bit, and then that will kind of connect to there. And from this area here, let's do a little bit of a neck and come on down and curve. And right here, we can kind of do a little bit of a hunch, like a little hunched back, a little hunched shoulder. And let's bring this line down and curve on up and do this silly little shape. And now let's do another arm and hand. So we're gonna bring a line down like this and on this side, and kind of a curve and a straight line there. And we're gonna do a finger like that, and another one, and then a tall one like that. And we can do a little curve right here. All right, and then we can do a line right here on the like wrist area. And let's see, we're gonna do like a thigh right here. It's gonna be kind of a curved shape, and then this line's gonna connect to there. And let's do a like a strip, like a ring, like that. And then we're gonna come on down a line here and a line right here, and we're gonna do a foot like that, and we can do a line here in the middle, like a little toe situation. And let's do the other side. So bring down this thigh, and we're going to do a curve right here, and a line right here, and then bring this line down, and then do that big toe situation. So we're going to do a line here and a line here in the middle. All right, so next let's do a line here and then come on up. So we have a point right there. Now let's finish this arm. So let's bring this line down and then bring this line over, and then we're going to do a line like that that curves down. So next, let's do the tail. So over on this side, let's bring up this line, and then one right here. We're going to do a curved line here and one right here, so it has another like strip on the tail. And now let's do like a pointed spot here, and another one, and another one, and the rest is kind of there in behind the ear. All right, so now we have everything drawn out, and I'm going to get started with some coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever we draw next. Okay, everybody, goodbye.